Hey Trojans, happy Friday. I am so excited that you are here joining us for our virtual class on this beautiful Friday. Congratulations, we made it to the Friday of another week. Y'all, I'm so proud of us. Way to go. As you know, we've got a quiz going on today. If you'd like me to read it to you, I am offering read aloud in this video right here. It'll be at the end, don't worry. I guess end is that way. I'm still working on this whole left, right, backwards video, in person, all of that great stuff. It'll be at the end of this video where I read it aloud to you if you want. But let me say, before we get going, I want to challenge you to create a little ad, an advertisement for something. I'm going to sell you this notepad in just a moment, and then I want you to try and sell something of your own. Give a pitch to a friend, a family member, submit a video to me, or join me in office hours next week, help session, and pitch your product to me. What I want you to do is find a completely ordinary item. It can be a pencil, it can be a notebook, it can be a sheet of paper, it can be a TV remote, and I want you to sell it like it is the best thing ever. So I have right here an ordinary notebook, right? But it is not an ordinary notebook at all. I'm about to tell you all about this notebook. It is worth $50 in the store, so let me give you the example. All right, ready? Woo! Woo! Okay, we're ready to go. Hey, y'all. This is Mr. Spencer coming to you with a brand new product today. All right, right here we've got it. It is this absolutely fantabulous yellow notebook here. Oh my goodness, y'all. Let me tell you about this notebook and why it is the only notepad you will ever need. Y'all, some notebooks just flip sideways, open like this way. Not this notepad. It goes up. It goes up. Almost unlimited amounts of paper, and they just keep flipping forever and ever. Oh my goodness. And y'all, this notebook is extra long, providing extra length. It is yellow because go Trojans, we've got our blue and our gold right here. Bonus, if you get a blue pen, you can write in blue on this yellow notebook and it will look awesome. Now also these lines have been printed perfectly straight across. They're all the same number of space between them. And the best part is, if you mess up, just tear it out, get rid of it. Whole new fresh page right there. Again, this notebook could be yours for the low price of $50. Act now. Oh my goodness, we will throw in a free blue pen. But y'all, let me tell you one more thing about this notebook. It is so soft. It is like writing on a cloud. Oh, and you notice this back part here, this brown side that's completely blank. You can make a sign for it. So like if you wanted to go to a sporting event, you could write "Go Trojans" on it and hold it up, or "Go Bruins," hold it up at that sporting event, and then when there's a timeout or something, take some notes, write a picture, write a song. Back in action, go team! That's why you need this notepad right here. All right, scene. That was my example. I hope you take this and pitch a product that is completely normal, like it is so over the top like never before. So give it a shot. Try and sell a normal product to everybody. So go. If you want to share it with me, I'd love to hear it. If you want to record it or pop into help session, I would love to hear it. All right, so yeah, we're here in our virtual class. We are going to move on to our quiz today, so I just want to demonstrate where exactly we will find that quiz if my mouse didn't get lost so much. There we go. So it is here in our Friday folder. Oh, I just threw my mouse on the ground. In our Friday folder, it's got our agenda. You're obviously not joining us for our live class, so if you're not able to attend our live class, watch this recorded lesson. Guess what? You're already doing it. Way to go. And complete all the tasks in the lesson. So, I had to grab my mouse there. Our task for today is to complete this quiz. It is right here in our Friday folder. It says 01/29. That is January 29th. That is today. And I didn't use yesterday's date. Way to go, me. That 0109 quiz. It is password protected. Our password is math1, all lowercase, M-A-T-H, the number 1. So give that a shot. Join that and take our quiz. I am going to read aloud all the questions if you'd like. But before you get started, there is some important information. Password again is math, M-A-T-H, the number 1, all lowercase, number 1. This quiz is about decimals and place value, so we're comparing some decimals, but first we're going to start with place value, section on place value, then we move into comparing decimals. Again, we've got our greater than, less than, and equal to. We're going to roll with it. Y'all are amazing. All right, so another important thing. You are going to want to hear this. The answer to the first question is coffee. You know, my favorite beverage, something I drink too much of, something I had way too much of today. The answer to the first question is coffee. Other than that, you are good to go. If you'd like me to read it aloud, the rest of this video is going to be me reading each question aloud. If you don't want me to read it aloud and you want to work at your own pace, you are more than welcome to do that. But I will, clicked on the wrong thing there. There we go. You're welcome to listen to these questions and move along with me. If you're here for the read aloud portion, make sure that you pause the video. If you're taking time to answer it, you can pause it as many times as always if you want. I'll pause for a brief moment between each question, but it might not be enough time to answer it. If you are working at your own pace, you're welcome to stop this video here. That's all we've got. Just take the quiz, make sure you got it done. If you have any questions, best thing to do is shoot me a text or Schoology message today. I'll be checking Schoology messages, emails, and texts throughout the weekend. So best option today would be text or Schoology message. Best option over the weekend would be text or email if you have any questions about this whenever you're working on it. Awesome. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and read the 17 questions and the answers, and y'all are welcome to keep work at your own pace or follow along with me. So, question 1. We are going to start with place value, and the answers are math, apple, coffee, and Dr. Dent's. Question 1 says, we are going to start with place value. The answers are math, apple, coffee, and Dr. Dent's. Question 2 is a fill in the blank with a drag and drop. So you've got 3 answers at the bottom, 2 blanks. All place values on the left side of the decimal place end in blank. All place values on the right side of the decimal place end in blank. Your 3 answers are S, THS, and don't choose this. One more time. All place values on the left side of the decimal end in blank. All place values on the right side of the decimal place end in blank. Your answers are S, THS, and don't choose this. Question 3 is another drag and drop. We are going to match each digit to the place value it is in for the number 325.9. Your answers are tenths, hundreds, ones, and tens. So drag and drop to match each digit to the place value it is in for 325.9. And your answers are tenths, hundreds, ones, and tens. Question 4 says, highlight the number in the tenths place. Just click on the number in the tenths place. The number is 4572.817. Question 5, select the number in the thousandths place. And the number is 3456.109. Again, select the number in the thousandths place. 3456.109. Question 6 is true or false. Place values that end in THS or are on the right side of the decimal place. Place values that end in THS or are on the right side of the decimal place. True or false? Question 7 is another drag and drop question. And it says when we multiply a multi-digit number by 10, each digit moves one place to the blank. And your answers are left, right, up, and down. When we multiply a multi-digit number by 10, each digit moves one place to the left, right, up, or down. Question 8 says solve 45.31 times 10. Solve 45.31 times 10. And your answers are 4.531, 453.1, 45.310, and 45.31. Question 9, we are going to solve 9.082 times 10. Solve 9.082 times 10. And our answers are 9082, 9.0820, 0.9082, 90.92, and 90.82. Question 10 says, is a drop-down menu for this one. When you multiply a multi-digit number by 1/10, each digit moves one place blank. And your answers are left, right, up, and down. When you multiply a multi-digit number by 1/10, each digit moves one place. What direction? Left, right, up, or down? Question 11 says solve 65.43 times 1/10. Solve 65.43 times 1/10. And your answers are 6.543, 065.43, 654.3, and 65.430. I did put question 12 before question 13 by mistake. We are moving into comparing our decimals. But it does ask which number is bigger, 35.56 or 34, which number is bigger, 34.56 or 34.6? Which number is bigger, 34.56 or 34.6? Question 13 says, great job on place values. Now we are going to move on to comparing decimals. Click on the word decimals. Question 13, great job on place value. Now we are going to move on to comparing decimals. Click on the word decimals. Question 14 says, which is larger, 2.34 or 2.3? Which is larger, 2.34 or 2.3? Question 15 says, which is larger, 234.70 or 234.07? And your answers are 234.70, 234.07, or they are equal. Which is larger, 234.70 or 234.07? Question 16 says, which is larger, 8.237 or 82.34? And your answers are 8.237, 82.34, or they are equal. Again, which is larger, 8.237 or 82.34. And our last question, number 17, says fill in the blank with the correct sign. Greater than, less than, or equal to. And you have 8 pairs of numbers to choose the correct sign for. So fill in the blank with the correct sign for each of these numbers from the drop-down menu. Greater than, less than, or equal to. That is our last question. Once you finish this, you are good to submit your quiz. Awesome job. Have an amazing weekend, Trojans. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all on Monday. Goodbye.